May corn was sharply lower, posting its largest loss of the calendar year of 2025 so far. It was also a close below the 50-day moving average, which is the first time that's happened since December 5th. That 50-day moving average, by the way, in the May contract sits at 484.5, so close about 4 cents underneath that. The big news of the day was that the Trump administration announced that tariffs on Mexico, Canada, of 25% and a 10% increase in the tariffs on China will go in effect on March 4th as scheduled. Now, last month when this was set to happen for Canada and Mexico, it got delayed for a month. So there is a possibility that that might happen again over the weekend. But from the language used today, it does not sound likely this time. So we shall see. In the meantime, the Ag Outlook Forum gave their initial numbers for the next growing season, their initial balance sheet, and they see 94 million acres of corn. That's a little bit higher than what the trade was estimating at 93.6 million, although the range was 92 to 95 million. That's a lot of corn acres, but again, as seen by expectations, the economics of corn makes more sense than soybeans, so we were looking for more corn acres this year. However, the ending stocks number that they produced, or that they are forecasting at 1.965 billion bushel carryover, is a little bit larger than what the trade was expecting at 1.910. They're also using a little bit smaller yield than what they had talked about in their baseline projections in October. They're using 181 instead of 182. That, I think, was slightly positive, but it still produced a higher than expected ending stocks or carryover number. We also had our weekly export sales report, and that came in below expectations at 795,000 metric tons. The range of guesses was 900 to 1.65 million metric tons, so well below that low end. And we've seen our export sales, our weekly export sales slow down rather significantly here over the past couple of weeks, and that's beginning to become a bit more of a concern. So we will be watching for that. There's a whole lot to be paying attention to here for the corn market going forward. So everybody stay tuned and you stay safe.